Hello everyone, it's me Budgie. I have some awesome news. The next update is coming soon to PKXD, and that means I got some awesome spoilers. Before we start, please like and subscribe. Let's start. These are the new pets. Let's look at them closer.